Our daily math review number 2. On our coordinate map of Clifton, an electronics store is located at 6, -7. A convenience store is located at 7 units north of the electronics store on the map. What are the map coordinates of the convenience store? So first of all, it says the electronics store is at 6, -7. So we are going to always start at our origin, the center, the middle, 0, 0. We're going to go down the hall 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we are going to go, down the elevator to -7. -1, 2, 3, -4, 5, 6, 7. So, right there is going to be our electronics store. There's our electronics store. Electronics store. You do not have to label like I just did, but if you put that point, that would be perfect. Now, it says the convenience store is located 7 units north. So if it's north, we're going to go up. So 7 units north. So we're going to go up 7 units. All right, so let's go up 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at that. So there is where our convenience store is. And now our question is, well, let's do this one. What are the coordinates of this now? So the coordinates of this one, remember we start at 0. We go +1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We go down the hall 6. And do we go up or down the elevator? No. So we're just going to stay at 0. We're going to stay on that x-axis. Not that y-axis. We're going to stay on the x-axis. And your coordinates are going to be 6, 0. And that's going to be it for our DMR number 2. Great job!